If Gmail is showing error code 1010, don't worry, this usually means access is being blocked or restricted, and in many cases it is caused by a VPN, proxy, browser issue, extension, or a temporary security restriction. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into Gmail and open your inbox normally. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's fix it. First, if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off right away. Gmail may block the connection if it thinks your login is coming from a suspicious or unusual location. After disabling it, refresh Gmail and try loading your inbox again. Open Gmail in your browser and go to mail.google.com, then check whether the error is gone. If it still appears, the next thing to do is switch networks. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network, or if you're on a phone, turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data instead. Sometimes Gmail temporarily blocks one network but works fine on another, so this is a very important test. Next, clear your browser cache. On most browsers, click the three dots in the top corner, go to Delete Browsing Data, and clear cached images and files. This removes stored files that may be causing the error to keep showing up. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Gmail again. If Gmail still will not load properly, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Open the browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or suspicious add-ons. Sometimes these extensions interfere with Gmail's security checks and trigger access problems like error code 1010. Once they are disabled, refresh Gmail and test it again. If that does not work, try signing in directly through Google's login page instead of opening Gmail from a saved tab or bookmark. Go to accounts.google.com and sign in from there. This can help reset the login session and force Google to verify your account properly. After signing in, open Gmail from the Google Apps menu and see if it loads normally. If you are still getting the error, wait a little while and try again later, because sometimes Gmail temporarily refuses a connection due to security screening or unusual activity detection. Also, make sure your browser is up to date, because outdated browsers can sometimes cause connection or compatibility issues with Google services. In some cases, the problem can also be caused by a corrupted cookie session. So if needed, you can clear cookies for Google only and sign in again. That often helps restore access without affecting the rest of your browser history. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for Gmail error code 1010 are: turn off your VPN or proxy, switch networks, clear your cache, disable extensions, and sign in directly through Google. These steps solve most cases without needing anything advanced. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who is stuck on the same Gmail error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.